Welcome back to Learn BC. Please like, subscribe, and share the love. We're talking about the resources posting groups. All right. So, as part of our overall matrix of trying to explain the mystery behind Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central's posting setups, we are taking you for a journey today to talk about resources. Okay. Now, to take a look closer at that, let's hop into Business Central. I'm here in a resource list. So just search with tell me resources and you'll come to here. And here I can click Marty, and against Marty, as the screen loads, I have here against the invoicing, the general product posting group and the GST product posting group. And that's in the event that a resource is somebody that we're using, for example, on jobs or invoice lines, etc. This will determine how, for one, our revenue is recognized, and secondly, how our taxation is recognized. Let's go back. Here, as we take a document and we start to create something in a mix of a customer, a vendor, it could be a sales invoice or a purchase invoice. We are trading with a resource on the line item. It comes through and we engage our master setups. And so let's start off with the general product posting group. We've got the general posting setup, and depending on what happens with the customer or vendor's general business posting group, the combination and matrix between the three will determine where this posts to as revenue or costs. Again, we've discovered this and discussed it multiple times in the last 5-6 videos. Excuse me. But when we're talking about the tax, it's the same thing again. The tax posting setup from the tax product posting group, and you can see here the tax business posting group, and between the three it determines the taxation setups for this resources billing. Any questions, reach out, like, share, send it to your friends, and get in touch with us if you have questions where we can contribute to you. Thank you.